Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add and FAQ frequently asked questions section on Wix. So let's get started. To begin, open your Wix website editor and scroll down to the section where you'd like to add your FAQs. On the left side, click on Add Apps, which will open the Wix App Market. In the search bar, type Wix FAQ and press Enter. Select the Wix FAQ app and then click on Add to Site. This will bring up a template for your FAQs. Once the template is added, click on Manage FAQs, which will take you to a dashboard where you can manage the questions and answers on your site. You can also sort them by category. If you want to add a new question, answer, or category, click Add New in the top right corner. To edit an existing category, hover over the category name and click on the three dots next to it. You'll have the option to add a question, rename the category, or delete it. To edit a specific question, click the three dots next to the question, where you can choose to duplicate or delete it. Then, click the pencil icon to edit the question and answer. Simply enter your new question and answer in the fields provided, and select the appropriate category on the right. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. You can also click on Settings to customize the layout, display, and design of your FAQ section. Follow the prompts in each tab to adjust everything to your preference. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.